YouTube, Male Cality here. So in the process of completing this new motherboard open box build, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my new RAM because this RAM will complete the build, and I'm going from a 4x4 16 build, garbage, to my new 2x8, and we got some Trident Z RGB G.SKILL stuff. I've pretty much used Corsair for a long time now, so this will be kind of fun and exciting to see how G.SKILL memory works. I've never had RGB RAM before either, so this will be quite the treat. I'm sure you've seen these on YouTube before, but now you can see them again on my channel. How neat is that? Yeah, so this will look kind of cool. Hopefully I install this correctly. Kitty, what's up, buddy? Alright, let's bring her in. Box is pretty much devoid of anything important. I'm going to install this, and there's nothing really in here other than, well, the RAM, which is fine. Comes with a sticker. The RAM is interesting. It's got like kind of a gunmetal on this side, black on this side. It's kind of cool. Alright, make sure all our tabs are up here. And then line her up. It's one in. I wonder why they did different colors on the heat sinks on them. It's kind of interesting. Because not like you can really see either side of it, so maybe depending on how, I forget how heavy this case is. Doesn't even flinch. This one sounds a little loose. It won't be rattling in there. Alright, so there we go. 32 gigs of 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM installed. Well, I guess all that's left is to hit that power button and see what we got. Here goes nothing. Well, shit. Alright, so you saw that complete utter failure. Let's try again. I heard the pump run. Alright, fans are turning on. All the RAM is lighting up in glorious RGB fashion. Cat's in my lap. Front fans are on. I think the top fans are probably on. Oh, alright, let's go into BIOS.